Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to sell your car on Gumtree. Whether you're upgrading to a new vehicle or simply looking to make some extra cash, Gumtree provides a straightforward platform to connect with potential buyers. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to gumtree.com. Once you're on the home page, you'll need to log into your account using your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one before proceeding, but for this tutorial, we'll assume you're already registered and ready to go. After logging in, direct your attention to the top of the page where you'll find the option to post an ad. Click on this button to begin creating your car listing. This will take you to a new page where you can start building your advertisement. On the category field, type in cars and then press the enter key. This action will prompt Gumtree to display suggested categories related to your search. Wait a moment for these suggestions to appear on your screen. Once they do, click on Cars from the list. This ensures your listing will be properly categorized and visible to people specifically searching for vehicles. Now give it a moment to load. Once the page fully loads, you'll be presented with a choice for seller type. You can select either trade or private. For this example, we'll click on private, which is the most common option for individuals selling their personal vehicles. Next, you'll see a question asking, how do you want to sell your car on Gumtree? Here you can choose between regular listing or sell to a dealer. For this tutorial, click on regular listing. This option gives you full control over the selling process and allows you to interact directly with interested buyers. Now it's time to make your listing visual. Click the camera icon to upload images of your car. High-quality photos are crucial as they're often the first thing potential buyers will look at, so make sure your images clearly show the vehicle from multiple angles. After uploading your photos, input your car's license plate number. This helps verify the vehicle's details and adds credibility to your listing. Then you'll reach the vehicle standard features section. Here you can select various features your car has, such as alloy wheels, radio CD with speakers, power windows, and other amenities. Be thorough here, as highlighting these features can make your car more attractive to buyers. Next, input an ad title and description. Your title should be clear and concise, while your description should provide detailed information about the car's condition, history, and any unique selling points. This is your chance to really sell the vehicle. Then input your asking price. Make sure it's competitive based on your car's condition and market value. If you have a website you'd like to promote, you can check the box that says include a link to your website. This is optional, but can be useful if you're a dealer or have additional information online. Under Make Your Ad Stand Out, you can choose from options like Featured, Urgent, or Spotlight. These are paid upgrades that can increase your listing's visibility, though they're not required for a successful sale. Finally, input your phone number so interested buyers can contact you directly. Once you've completed all these fields, click Post My Ad. Your listing will now be live on Gumtree, and potential buyers can start viewing and contacting you about your car. And that's it. You've successfully created a car listing on Gumtree. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.